What if I told you that the secret to faster growth, greener leaves, and fewer pests could be hiding in something most people throw away? Potato peels? It may sound unbelievable, but nature often hides its greatest solutions in the simplest places. Potato peels, when cut into small pieces, break down quickly in the soil, releasing starch, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients repair tiny root injuries, strengthen plant structure, and encourage steady, healthy growth. By burying the peels a few inches deep, you're not only enriching the soil but also keeping pests away while creating a slow-release fertilizer that feeds plants over time. Now let's add a natural booster. Steep a spoonful of tea in 1 liter of hot water for about 10 minutes. This tea is rich in tannins and minerals that gently balance the soil, improve nutrient absorption, and naturally discourage pests like aphids and spider mites. When you water your plants with this mixture right after burying the potato peels, you create a powerful combination. The soil receives long-lasting nutrition from the peels, while the tea strengthens plant defenses and enhances growth from above. Repeat this once a week, and soon your garden will reward you with lush leaves, stronger roots, and fewer pest troubles, all without chemicals. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own gardening experiences in the comments.